Hi, it's Mary from the Movement Studio, and I just want to talk to you today about a few more tips about sitting. So in sitting, typically, just like in standing, you've heard me talk a lot about we're pulled to the right, and we live in this right-handed world, and most of us, that we have this underlying pattern where we're biased to the right. So I want to talk about ideas about sitting that might help alleviate some discomfort and make you more comfortable in sitting. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first tip is something I've addressed before, and I wrote a blog called Are You A Percher? Meaning, do you sit up too straight, which actually can compress your spine. It pulls your pelvis forward. So what you want to do is relax your spine and let your pelvis come into a more neutral position. You don't want to be pushed forward. So a lot of times we'll talk about just reaching out, kind of like hugging a jug, or letting your sternum drop, and that softens you in the front and relaxes your back. Okay, the second tip is, now again, this is being in this right-sided position. One way to get more neutral is to reach your right thigh, your right knee forward and pull your left in. And then just do a gentle sort of relaxation over to the left, which is going to activate my left oblique. So this is a great way to maintain sitting at your desk, or also in the car. I'm going to give one more tip in a minute about driving in the car, but this is a real comfortable way to get out of that pattern. So in the car, the only thing you do different is you take a little towel roll like this, and you would just put it under your thigh, and that's going to help that left leg roll in a little bit. These tips are all from the Posture Restoration Institute, and I hope you find them useful. Have a good week.